The biggest problem I have in crime today is advanced fee fraud, where young men who are expelled from school are being dunce, cannot speak English. They learn, and in 6 weeks they speak perfect English in 3 dialects and are absorbing $500,000 from some professor in the United States. No, something is wrong there somewhere.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. What is wrong with what Mr. Chang just said? I am trying to wrap my head around it, but he's saying the biggest problem him have is with the fully done kids them, where them have to get special teachers to teach them, cause them so damn dunce, and them drop out of school and it take them 3 weeks to learn how to speak 3 lines of English, and then get on the phone and convince some people overseas to deposit money, and then them get the money. Now, what is wrong with that? It's so, if I was a national security minister, I wouldn't go and speak like that. You're telling me fully done kids are outsmarting the Jamaica law enforcement.
When my experts who are good at Mocha try to track them, it gets stuck on a note somewhere in Bulgaria, Latvia. This is somebody who was expelled from school less than 3 months ago as being dunce, indisciplined, incapable of learning. We need to find special teachers to teach them in patois and all that. And he's speaking 3 dialects fast, and he gets on a computer within a few weeks and can find a way to convince some retired physician or lawyer to transmit a couple $100,000 somewhere. And in doing it, protects himself by being able to route it in a way that it takes the experts significant time to identify where it is coming from.
I don't think Chang understand what I say. Maybe when I try to say, it surprises him how the youth them was able to convince people to get money. But in the overall part, what I say is that in agents them not good, because if me was a police at Jamaica, I could have tracked them. I could have tracked that scammer. You understand? You know that hard. Intelligence working. I am not saying it's an easy job, but for him coming out to make this statement like that, I just think it's a crazy statement. I could probably see where he's frustrated, or maybe him just not have nothing to say. But I guess the biggest thing is surprise that these so-called fully done kids can able to track down people and get them to deposit money. I just find that a little bit crazy. Anyways, I'm not take up on the time, you know. You can leave some comment and let me know on the feel about this. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Peace.